Samsung Galaxy S11 may offer 8K video recording support if recent card in Samsung's camera app is anything to go by. Thus far, there have been numerous leaks surrounding the Galaxy S11 lineup, the company's next iteration of its flagship Galaxy S series. Previous Galaxy S11 camera specification rumors pointed out towards a second-generation 108-megapixel sensor, and the latest leak corroborates that. New code in Samsung camera app's APK file suggests that the Samsung Galaxy S11 lineup would support 8K video recording, as per a report by the XDA developers on Sunday. Other details that emerged from the teardown included a mention of a 108-megapixel resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio display. The support for 8K video recording was expected, as the Samsung Exynos 990 SoC also supports 8K 30fps record decoding or encoding capabilities. The anticipated Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC, which can be expected to power the US variants of the Samsung Galaxy S11, it is also expected to have enough horsepower to offer 8K video recording. As per the XDA developers, the Samsung camera app also hinted at new features such as the director's view, night hyperlapse, single-take photo, vertical panorama, and the camera filters. To recall, earlier tipster Ice Universe had claimed that the Samsung Galaxy S11 would not use the 108-megapixel ISOCELL Bright HMX sensor that was launched earlier this year and used in the Mi Note 10 or Mi CC9 Pro. Instead, it was said to use an upgraded second-generation sensor. Other reports thus far tip that the Samsung Galaxy S11 smartphone will be available in 3 screen sizes and 5 different variants, all supporting the curved edge displays. As per a recent report, the Galaxy S11 would arrive in the third week of February 2020, and the launch event is set to take place in San Francisco. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro has a striking design, and that stands largely to one thing: its sleekly curved waterfall screen. But it's a design that Samsung apparently won't look to imitate with the Samsung Galaxy S11. That's according to the Universe Eyes, a reputable leaker who says that while the Galaxy S11 won't have a waterfall screen, it will have a narrower bezel than the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The Galaxy Note 10 already has very little bezel, so if accurate, this would mean the Samsung Galaxy S11 would basically be all screen from the front, other than likely a punch hole camera cutout. Several modern smartphones have screens which curve back at the sides instead of abruptly ending. It gives smartphones a decidedly premium feel, but can take some getting used to in some cases, due to the fact you can accidentally press the curves with parts of your hand when you don't intend to. A waterfall screen is one which is particularly curved, like the arc of a river running over a cliff. Interestingly, the source says that the decision not to have a waterfall screen was made after careful consideration by Samsung, suggesting that it was something the company was considering. And it might be for the best, as the Samsung Galaxy S7 doesn't have such a screen, as while it would be sure to look good, it may also increase the chances of accidentally interacting with the screen when holding the phone. Also, having that much display on the edge might make the phone more fragile. Of course, that is still a rumor for now, so we can't be certain that the Samsung Galaxy S11 won't have a waterfall screen, but so far no leak suggests that it will. Based on other leaks, we are expecting a design a lot like the Galaxy Note 10's, where the selfie camera in a top central position just like that phone, but with a smaller lens, and if today's leak is accurate, with less bezel too.